Set of 4 false front clips. Useful in mounting fake drawers and fake cabinet fronts. Perfect for kitchen and bathroom projects. New part number 4308 by Bainbridge Manufacturing, formerly #1987. Plastic false front clip for 3/4 thick face frame, install with screw, formerly part #1987. Top reviews from the United States. Couldn't find this locally. Neither local hardware store carried this. I would have thought this would be a common enough item. Went well over a year before one day it clicked. Amazon. Found them in the first 5 minutes. Ordered them. Forgot I had ordered them. Checked the mail not even 3 days later and had them. Waited 2 more weeks. Installed them. There just happened to be the exact number I needed. Work great. Seems sturdy. Great value. So easy to install.